Thanks for checking out Speaking of Me. I think you'll find the demo interesting, but before we get into any of the features of the tool, I want to answer a question you might be asking, which is this the right tool for me? So Speaking of Me was built to solve a problem that I've had for over 10 years as a marketer. And that problem is, how do you quickly get authentic video testimonials from your customers who are more than willing to speak on your behalf, talk about their experience with your product or service? It's not easy to do. Most often you are trying to figure out whose calendar is open when, organize a video chat session, screen record, edit all of this down, and it's just kind of a clunky process. So Speaking of Me solves that problem. It's not built to create really high quality, like commercial quality, long form video. It's really great for capturing shorter clips from your customers. It can be used in social media campaigns, on your website, and any other marketing efforts. It's also great for something like kind of product research and feedback, where you just want to be able to generate one link, send it to anybody anywhere in the world, allow them to immediately upload the video once it's recorded, and receive it in your dashboard. So if you're looking for that kind of quick and simple, authentic video testimonial solution, I think this is the right tool for you, and I'm excited to show you around. Okay, with that out of the way, let's dive into how the platform actually works. You can see here, this is a demo account. It takes about 1 minute to set up your account. There are just 2 pages to go through. I've already done that for the demo account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to immediately just add a new campaign. So I'm going to call this something like Test Campaign 2, and that will allow me to show you how simple it is to add questions. For every question that you add, if you have the business plan, you will get a separate video response for that question. So for that reason, it's usually a good idea to use somewhere between 3 to 5 questions. You can add as many as you like, but again, you'll get a separate video response for each question. When you receive the video responses back, one of the features I like most is you can then sort and kind of filter by a specific question to find those videos. So if you want to feature, let's say 5 or 6 customers all saying kind of the same thing or all reviewing one aspect of your product or service, you can filter by that question, and you can download those videos and create a reel, which would be kind of a powerful social piece to, again, let the voice of your customer speak for you. So I'm going to just add 2 questions as examples, question 1 and we'll say question 2. And I don't want to add a third question, so I'm going to go ahead and create my link. Okay, I've added my questions to this new campaign, and now I can copy this link. I can now send that link via text or Slack or email to anybody that I want to get video feedback from. They will be able to open that single link, submit their video responses to those questions, which is very easy for them. It walks them through the prompts, automatically starts their camera, and then the uploads happen kind of instantly and automatically. So it's as simple as it can be for your customer as well. Now, for the sake of time, I already recorded my response. You can see I'm wearing exactly what I'm wearing now. You can see also it says there are 2 videos recorded, which makes sense because I added 2 questions to that campaign. My actions from here would be to go ahead and watch this video feedback that was submitted, or I can download the video, or I can expand the card and I can start to sort by question. So here you'll notice that video change based on which question I have selected. I can look at notes. If there was a quote that really stood out to me and I wanted to capture it here, I could write that down, or maybe note some timestamps for later editing, or really any use case that I have. Now, if I want to just download all of the videos together, I can click on these 3 dots and select download all as zip. From here, I can also delete this review, or again, just download the current video. So once you start getting that video feedback in your dashboard, it's very easy to sort, filter, and again, quickly download that video. By selecting all reviews, I would be able to see every review that's ever been submitted to my account, regardless of the campaign. And again, I could use the same filtering and sorting options to quickly find and select and download those videos. And that's it. In less than 5 minutes, we've been able to review whether it might be the right tool for you or not, and how it works to add your first campaign, set your questions, send that link, and start receiving your video feedback so you can download it, filter by whatever questions you'd like and use that video in your marketing efforts. Again, Speaking to Me was built to solve this problem of unlocking the voice of your customer. It should not be so difficult to get your customers to be able to talk about their experience with you as their provider. If you have questions or feedback, I would love to hear it. So look forward to hopefully working with you. I hope Speaking to Me can solve that problem for you, and I would love to hear from you. Thanks for your time.